Hey guys, got the new Wizard Edition, Harry Potter by Jersey Jack. Just got delivered yesterday. I didn't have time yesterday to fix it up, so we're gonna do it now. But you can see all the warnings that they have for the tilting of the game or any problems. Everything looks good, so let's get to unboxing. Okay guys, so this Jersey Jack Harry Potter, we are gonna put that in the game room. Let's go inside. And it's gonna go right here. We have the extra spot next to Evil Dead. So the lineup right now is Evil Dead, Elvira, and then Monster Bash. So let's get to unboxing. I'm gonna spare everybody too much detail on the unboxing, but we'll go through the process here to get the game set up. I'll do some video, of course. Okay, I got the straps undone. Now I'm gonna work at getting the box open. Okay, I got the top off, got the legs and other parts up here. I'll get those cleared out right now. Okay, here's the unveiling. And the artwork is just gorgeous. So cool. This is the Wizard Edition. There's a limited edition. This is better. I love the artwork and colors on this. The blue and the greens are really cool. All right, let's get it open. Okay. That one. Oh, that one's shoved in there hard. I better use two hands on this one. Okay, I got the phone packages out. And then I'll get the blades here. That looks like about it. I don't really see anything else to take out. Okay, that's easy enough to take off. Okay. 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 I can kind of get a good overview now. A lot of people are buying the pros and saying they're just as good. Well, I guess the lower arcade version of this. Okay. Okay. So I got the foam off the plunger. Everything on the inside looks good. It's a big speaker. Okay. Let's continue our setup. So I use the Perfect Glass on the inside of the game, just cleaning it all up, make sure there's no specks or anything in there. And then now I'll clean the balls with the Perfect Glass again. And on the machine, now I'm gonna clean the glass with my hose. Okay. So Harry Potter's in the lineup now. I was really worried about that ceiling height, but it looks like we're good. Such a beautiful game. It's a good stablemate next to Evil Dead. And I cannot get rid of Elvira. It's too good of a game. And then Monster Bash is fantastic too. Especially the remake. The light show is great. Okay, look at that. Man, Spooky knocked it out with this one. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this game on for the first time. This could take a while. Oh, there we go. Going door and press enter to view. Self-test report. Okay. All right, we'll do that in a second here. Man, that's just gorgeous. Jersey Jack does amazing light shows. Wow. So cool. That's great.